I'm gonna let Tauntaun go first and then I'll show you.
So simply just remove it from the magnet, open it up, and drinking with no hands, and it tastes even better.
And here I go, pulling from the canteen. So I gotta reach behind me, gotta steady a hand on this. Some days it gets stuck. Get it out. Unscrew it. To be fair, this keeps water extremely cold, which I like. But reaching it is a bit of a nuisance to say. And then I have to attempt to put this back in. Any minute now. There we go. Kind of a kink in the neck, but hey, I'm still drinking water.